Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for my lunch meal prep for this week. I have been using my new air fryer that I did an unboxing on a couple weeks ago. Got it on the Amazon Prime Day sale. I love it. I know you guys are gonna see so many recipes with my air fryer. It's so much fun to use. So I am gonna do chicken strips for lunch for this week and a meal prep these up. So I'm gonna do keto chicken strips. So I have this carb quick mix that I'm going to coat my chicken with, and then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. So quick and easy. The air fryer makes such healthy meals. I just love it. It's easy to clean and it's quick. So it's a win-win for me. So I just love using my new air fryer. So I'm gonna do my chicken strips with the Carb Quick and then some seasonings, paprika, garlic powder. I'm gonna do a side of broccoli for my lunch this week, and I will portion out. I like ranch dressing with my chicken strips, so I have some ranch dressing here that I'll portion into my meal prep container so that lunch is ready to go for the week, and it's super healthy, super easy and convenient. Nice to have lunch meal prepped and ready to go. So check the description for the recipe for this, and also check the description box for my air fryer. I will link that in there as well. So awesome, got it on Amazon and I love it, so I highly recommend it. Anyways, I will get lunch ready to go for this week. So I have my Carb Quick eggs and more Carb Quick, and I'm going to add in some paprika and garlic powder into the Carb Quick mixture. So Carb Quick is like a Bisquick type baking flour, but it is really low in carb, which is really great if you're keto or low carb diet. So I'm going to add in these seasonings into the Carb Quick mixture, and it's going to give this chicken a really awesome little crust to the chicken to make these really great chicken strips, a really good breading. So I'm going to mix those seasonings in, and this is going to be so delicious. So I'm going to coat each little piece of chicken into the Carb Quick mixture, and then the egg mixture, and then the Carb Quick again. I'm going to do this for all of the chicken strips, and then they will be ready to put in the air fryer. All right, so my chicken strips are all coated, and now I'm going to spray them with a little bit of cooking spray, and this will help give them a little extra crisp when I put them in the air fryer. So I now have my air fryer. I'm going to turn it on. It's touch screen, so I'm going to do air fry, and then I have it already set to 350 degrees. I'm going to cook these for 14 minutes, and then I am going to just turn it on, and now I'm going to add in my chicken strips. So I'm going to place them in the basket. This is a non-stick basket, which is really great. It's really easy for cleaning. So I'm going to put the chicken strips in. I'm going to try not to have them overlap at all, but I'm going to put as many as I can in this basket. I'm going to have to do another batch of these because I'm going to make a lot of these chicken strips for the week. So I have them all in my basket now, and I'm going to spray them again with a little bit of cooking spray, which again will give it a little extra crisp. So I have them going, and so once this it's really awesome. Once this air fryer is halfway done, it tells you, it beeps that you need to flip your food over. So now this is halfway done. I'm going to flip these chicken strips. You don't have to flip them halfway through, but it does make them a lot more crispy on both sides. So I really love this air fryer that it gives you that warning, and you definitely don't have to flip them, but it is really good to do it though. So now everything is done. These are really quick. These chicken strips turn out so good, nice and crunchy, perfect chicken strips, and really great that they're keto friendly as well. All right, so my air fryer chicken strips are all done, keto friendly with my carb quick mix that I used. So they're done. My steamed broccoli is done. So I'm gonna portion everything into my meal prep containers so that my lunch is ready to go for each day this week. I'll portion my chicken strips, broccoli, and then I'm going to add in my ranch dressing in my little dressing cups. So everything is ready to go. I just have to grab it and lunch is all set. So I will portion everything into my meal prep containers. All right, so lunch is all portioned out, ready to go for the week. Super healthy air fryer chicken strips. These are so good, really quick and easy to make. I'll put the recipe in the description box, so check it out if you want to make these. So good. I'll also link my air fryer in the description box as well. I just got it a couple weeks ago on Amazon and I've been using it a ton. So stay tuned for lots of air fryer recipes coming up. I hope that you have a great day. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of meal prep ideas if you're looking for some. So I hope you have a great day and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.